Grief is one of the most powerful emotions we can face as human beings. It can leave us feeling devastated, heartbroken, angry, and confused. For many, it's an uncomfortable emotion. But every one of us will lose someone or something important to us at some point in our lives, which is why it's important to consider how to best support someone who's grieving. First, without judgment, reflect with the grieving person on how they're feeling, whether it's anger, sadness, fear, or contempt. After all, we can't heal from what we don't acknowledge. Second, support them as they need it. Grief can make us feel numb and want to avoid people, but it's essential for healing to feel supported. Keep in mind that this can look quite different from person to person. Third, remember that it's also critical to the grieving person to continue to do things they enjoy. If they like yoga, encourage them to go to a class. If they love reading, get them a book they can really get into. Fourth, avoid cliches like, "It's probably all for the best," as they bring very little comfort to someone who's grieving. Remember that there's nothing you can do or say to take their pain away. The biggest comfort you can give is your love and support.